Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 1 minus 9 times 1 minus 9. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 1 minus 9 gives us negative 8. And again, here inside this parenthesis, we have 1 minus 9. So, negative 8 times negative 8. Which equals positive 64. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication. Because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 1 minus 9, which equals negative 8. So we have 1 minus 9 then times negative 8. In this expression we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication. 9 times negative 8 gives us negative 72. So we have 1 minus negative 72. Now, negative times negative gives us positive. So we have 1 plus 72, which equals 73. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 73.